happening?
Mario, it's the 4th of July and you forgot to get fireworks this year.
Wait, what? I thought you were getting the fireworks.
Mario, I don't get the fireworks anymore because last time I almost blew up the car.
Okay, I'm gonna go get them right now. Ah! Oh crap, I gotta get some fireworks before we're all out. Alright. Let's get to looking.
Oh, nice job, Mario.
Thank you. This was very difficult.
Okay. I'm gonna take these outside. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I got all the fireworks out. Well, at least all the ones that are kind of glowing in the sky, I guess. I don't know. And all the rest over there, I guess sparklers and stuff. I don't really know. I just put them in random places. But yeah, this is, yeah. I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes so it can get a bit darker and we can see all the color in these. And also, chicken.
Wait, Luigi. So, like, what order are we gonna do it in?
What do you mean?
Well, like, are we gonna, like, light off, like, the big one first, and then, like, later on we go, like, with the smaller ones? Or is it just random?
So it starts out by, like, with, like, more smaller things, not really impressive things. And then it goes on to, like, the big ones.
Okay. Don't do that, kids. Don't do that with your Mario plushes. It may explode. Alright, Luigi, I'm gonna start lighting fireworks. You wanna do it first?
No, I'm too scared.
Why?
No, I could die.
Fine. Well, I guess I'll start.
Wait, why are you wearing that little wrist thing?
So I don't die.
Okay.
Alright, I did it! I did it! Okay. Alright. Oh! Oh! Oh, clean and dead! Like me! Me and Luigi, I don't care. That's beautiful. Pretty freaking blue, beautiful. Ah! 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 Alright, leave! It can explode! Stay away! I ain't scared of you. I'm Mario. I'm Super Mario. No, not again.
Alright, I gotta do something somehow. So I'm gonna do one. Let's go. Yeah. No! Ah! Ah! No! Crap! My ears!
Alright, Mario said I wasn't brave enough, so I did one by myself. Because I'm a big boy. I must be brave. Oh my gosh.
My ears! I'm dying!
Oh crap, I almost died! Why is this here? Oh, that's actually pretty beautiful. It's pretty nice. I don't feel scared anymore. I conquered my fears. Why is that thing so loud? Oh, my ears hurt. Ears. Oh, I can't hear anything.
Alright, Mario, I think it's about time we get to the big ones now, because, you know, we don't have any more left.
Alright, you're doing it first, because I'm scared.
What?
Get out there!
Ah!
Alright, I hate you, Mario, when you have to do this.
I didn't know they were going off already! Ah! Ah! Oh, crap, that's actually really beautiful! Alright, not another one. And it's going off right now. I'm taking off my hat. I don't care if I'm bald or not. Alright. Alright, put one on, and it's going now, and I gotta be ready. It's gotta be ready. No! No! Oh crap! Oh crap! This. Alright, time to do the last one. Luigi fainted, so yeah. Oh. Alright. Let it. Alrighty. Let's go. Alright. Should go off any second now. Ah! Oh crap! That's beautiful! Yeah, that's beautiful! Ah! 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 No, I'm done with this. I ain't doing this anymore. No, not again. I'm not doing this anymore. Ah! Subscribe to Silver Plus Show on YouTube.